Hello and welcome back, guys. Pizza ovens are an effective way to make high-quality pizza at home, and they make an excellent addition to any well-stocked outdoor kitchen. There are several choices available these days, ranging from built-in brick or wood-burning models to portable gas-powered pizza ovens that can be heated up anywhere. So, in today's video, we'll look at the top best-selling pizza ovens for 2024. Cuisinart CPZ-120. Cuisinart has already brought innovative kitchen products to millions of homes, and the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven makes it easy to enjoy pizza night. This technology brings the indoor pizza oven from professional kitchens to your own tabletop, allowing you to make delicious homemade pizza. With an interior temperature of up to 700 degrees, home cooks can now make artisanal Neapolitan pizzas, New York-style pies, Detroit-style pizzas, exquisite Italian breads, and more. With its simple settings, anyone can begin preparing pizza at home. Plus, the wide viewing window and internal light allow you to keep an eye on your pizza while it cooks. The oven even includes a deep dish pan, pizza stone, and pizza peel, everything you'll need to make your favorite foods. So, with all of its capabilities combined, the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven can make a superb homemade pizza in just 5 minutes. Even if you're baking pizzas for the entire family, it's still faster and less expensive than ordering from a delivery service. Granitestone Piezano. This is a flat, 12 pizza stone made of natural ceramic that conducts heat while cooking, allowing your pizza to bake evenly and create a crispy crust. The top and bottom heat settings allow you to fully regulate the temperature for a more even bake. And the built-in thermometer display allows you to monitor the cooking process for optimal baking results. This pizza oven will allow you to enjoy the flavor of pizzeria-style pies directly at home. You can bake your customized version on the stone surface and enjoy a cheesy, crunchy crust pizza cooked in your own kitchen without turning on the oven. Plus, in this case, ovens usually only reach temperatures between 450 and 500 degrees, which keeps you from getting the customary crispy crust found in pizzerias. But this Piezano oven can reach 800 degrees, resulting in consistently superb crust results. Bertello SimulFIRE. Next, let's look at the Bertello SimulFIRE Outdoor Pizza, which features Bertello's innovative heat trap heat circulating design. Here you can pair the ease of gas with the rich aroma of wood simul-fired. This all-in-one package has a 12 pizza oven, gas burner, pizza peel, hardwood pan, cover, and thermometer. It can reach the optimal temperature of 900 degrees, resulting in a faultless crust that is crispy on the exterior and chewy on the inside. Likewise, the revolutionary heat trap design circulates heat within the oven, cleverly trapping it to ensure even distribution across your pizza. The propane gas burner raises the oven temperature to 900 degrees in less than 20 minutes, ensuring quick and effective preheating. As well, the wood-burning tray creates a symphony of wood-fired flavors, flawlessly combining the ease of gas with the true taste that can only be obtained with wood. What else? Its 0.6 thick stone, supported on built-in supports, provides maximum heat circulation, resulting in a crispy crust every time. Meanwhile, the heavy-duty wide-stance folding legs prevent tipping, assuring a safe cooking experience. This oven is built to last, thanks to its sturdy carbon and stainless steel construction and heat-resistant coating. PYY. Those looking for a little extra heat from their electric pizza oven can choose this model from PYY. This electric pizza oven produces temperatures up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to cook pizzas at higher temperatures for shorter cook periods. It also includes a timer that can automatically turn off the pizza oven after up to 60 minutes. This electric pizza oven is relatively small, as it stands 7.5 inches tall, 17.9 inches broad, and 14 inches deep, and weighs only 20 pounds. This PYY countertop pizza oven can also handle pizzas up to 12 inches in diameter, and has a pull-out for easy launching and removal. It doesn't have an LED display, however, so the adjustable knobs are all users can go by unless they purchase an infrared thermometer. CHEFMAN. This electric indoor-outdoor pizza oven is ideal for countertop usage, speedily cooking restaurant-quality pizza at temperatures of up to 800 degrees. The sleek indoor pizza oven's countertop design fits into tight areas while producing excellent handmade pizza in no time. You can select from a variety of pizza presets on the touchscreen, including Neapolitan, New York, thin crust, pan, and frozen. On the other hand, you can use the manual setting to ensure that your pie crust is right every time. Plus, using commercial oven technology, you can now bake exquisite pizzas like a professional chef right at home using its pizza maker machine. Both heating components range from 300 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to prepare pizza your way while retaining heat for back-to-back cooking. We also enjoyed its double-paned glass and high-heat design, which keeps the indoor pizza oven hot enough to cook numerous pizzas all at once. Halo Versa 16. Finally, we have the Halo Versa 16. Propane gas outdoor pizza oven. The dual burners and rotating pizza stone are the main unique features of this Halo Versa. The 2 burners and spinning cordierite stone combine to provide a constant, hands-free cooking experience. Also, it is portable, allowing you to take it anywhere you go. It is made from high-temperature, powder-coated, cold-rolled steel, and 430 stainless steel. And the cooking surface is a 16-inch cordierite pizza stone, engraved with their logo. The oven's aperture allows you to easily handle pizzas up to 16 inches in diameter. Also, here the Versa burners offer a total of $2,100 BTUs of heat. Perhaps the Versa's standout feature is its patent-pending dual burner system. The oven has an infrared burner at the bottom to maintain consistent stone temperatures between bakes and a back oven burner for standard convection heating. Halo also claims that the Versa 16 will achieve 900 mFF in 12 minutes to begin cooking. Manufacturers of almost every pizza oven I evaluated claim higher temperatures in shorter times than is possible. This appears to have been true for the Versa as well. Within minutes of turning on the oven, the built-in thermometer had reached 900 F, rendering it worthless for calculating whether to launch a pizza. That's all for now, folks. We really hope you liked our video. Hey, it's great to subscribe, so please click the bell icon, like, and subscribe to get updates on our most recent videos. Also, all products links are mentioned in the description box below. Do check it out. Thank you for watching.